Ciao tutti, hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how to make smudge. Smudge is something really great, I really recommend to use it. If you don't use it, it's basically just a little bit of herb, salvia, in English it's sage, and it's just a sage piece. And you're using it by lighting it on, which gives you a really nice feeling, a good mood, it relaxes you. I'm usually using it to clean the house, cleansing the house. I'm using it in the morning when I'm reading my tarot cards, but it's always really good, especially this time. We really need smudges. So today I'm going to show you how to do one because it's really easy. I light it up for you, so we're all going to have the feeling. You need three things to make the smudge. You need sage, a lot of sage. If you have one in the garden, in your garden, that's great, or in your balcony at home. It's really easy to grow it. It just needs a lot of sun, but it's really an easy plant to take care of, and it's also really good for making food with chicken and with other meals. And you need scissors and you need thread. I'm using white thread, but for example here I was using different kind of thread. It's not really complicated. The point is that it depends on how big you want your sages. To make it bigger, to make it stronger, you put together a bunch of different sages, so you have like a really bold one. And what I also do is that you can see behind me that I also put flowers in the sage. If you put like rose in it, it gives a little bit of rose smell, but the sage smell already is really nice. So you have your sage and then you start to bind it together. So once they are on fire, it's not going to fall, it's not going to burn anything else, because you have to be really careful because it's fire. You see, and then this one is a really bit thin one. And then once you are ready, you hang them in a place where it's kind of dry. It depends on how humid is the place where you're living in, but usually it takes like 1 or 2 weeks, depends on the weather, to dry it out. And once it dried out, you can just light it up and cleanse your home and have a really relaxing, fantastic day at your home, which we all need. So take care of yourself and just let the good energy flow into your home.